how to add subscribe button on your Facebook page. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how you can add subscribe button on your Facebook page. So this is the easiest and simplest method to add the button on Facebook page. So let's get started. So on this process, firstly you will have to make sure that you have updated the latest version of Facebook on your phone. So after confirming that, you will have to firstly open your Facebook page on your Facebook account. So simply you have to open the Facebook. And now from here, after opening the profile section of your Facebook page, you will be able to go with the options like three dots. So it will appear on the right side of your Facebook page. So simply you have to go with the option three dot. And now from here, you will have to go with the options add actions button. So simply you have to go with the options add action button. Alright, so now on this interface, I have already added a message button in my Facebook page. So to add a subscribe button or something else button on your Facebook page, you will have to go to the options edit buttons. And now from here, you'll be able to add a specific button to add on your Facebook page. So to add the subscribe button or something else button, you will have to find it from here and you will be able to add the subscribe button or any one button on your Facebook page. So this is the easiest and simplest method to add subscribe button or any button on your Facebook page. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon over there for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.